Hey guys, adding a profile picture frame on the Facebook is easy. In this video, I'll show you how to add a frame to your profile picture in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add any of the frame you want to your Facebook profile picture. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, we will open our Facebook mobile application. Then you have to tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, tap on your name to go to your profile. So now what you want to do next is tap on the profile picture and you will see different options. From these options you have to click on to add frames to the Facebook profile picture. It will show you a couple of popular frames. Simply tap on see all. So now you can scroll down and tap on any of the frame that you like, and then you will see a little preview of what the frame is going to be look like with your profile picture. If you are happy with it, tap on save at the top right corner of the screen and it will add frame to your profile picture. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.